Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download all photos on Messenger at once. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Messenger app. Then you're gonna go to your message where you have received the photos. And then once you have found the photos, what you need to do is need to simply go ahead, check them out. And you will find this download icon on top, right? So you can go ahead with that individually as well, or you can simply long press on that, and then you will find this option of save all. Tap on save all, and all the photos will be saved. Now you can go ahead, go to your gallery, and here at the bottom you can see all of the pictures that you have saved are there, and you can check them out individually as well. That's all you need to do. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.